Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve sound quality on Zoom. To improve sound quality on Zoom, you can adjust settings in Zoom and take several actions to optimize your audio environment. So these are the steps that you need to take. First, open the Zoom desktop app, which I have right here, and go to settings. So on the home screen, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and once you click on that, from the drop down menu, go ahead and select settings. So you have the set status message, work location, try top features, select settings. In the settings window, select audio from the left hand navigation menu. So from here, you can now test and adjust microphone and speaker levels. On the microphone, which we have here, click on test mic to record and listen to your voice, adjusting the input volume if needed. And for speakers, click on test speaker here and adjust the volume until it is clear and comfortable. The next thing is to enable high fidelity music mode, which is pretty much optional. So scroll down to the audio settings, which we have in here, and so we're gonna really have to scroll down. So you can scroll down until you find high fidelity music, but that's pretty much not in the settings at the moment. Probably that has been expunged from Zoom, but you could, prior to now, you could find the high fidelity music and turn that on. So the next thing to do is to turn on the suppress background noise. So here we have background noise suppression. Now it says auto. You can take it to high to actually take it to high so that you can be able to reduce. Also, you have to, if you want to suppress, you have to download it. So click on download and download it. But these will definitely help you to eradicate background speech or background sound. So once you're done, another thing to actually enhance your audio quality is to use headphones with a built-in microphone. So using wired or Bluetooth headphones, the built-in microphone often improves sound quality by isolating your voice and reducing echo. Now, if audio quality is critical, consider using a USB or standalone microphone for clearer sound. Choose a quiet location for your meeting and close any windows or doors to limit outside noise. Also, adding soft materials around you like curtains or rugs can reduce echo and improve sound clarity. Make sure you're using the latest version of Zoom, as updates may include improvement to audio processing. On your computer, check for any available updates to your audio drivers to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. Close unnecessary applications on your computer, as high CPU usage can impact Zoom's audio performance. And of course, when you are not speaking, mute yourself to prevent any background sounds from affecting overall audio quality in the meeting. By following these steps, you can improve your audio quality on Zoom and create a better listening experience for yourself and other participants. Now, go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.